a flower does is wither. It's the memories that stay with us forever. So they tell me. So, what do I recall of you? Juliet. Daddy's princess. Rich. Mummy's darling. Quite a bitch. You scratched my face once. From here to here. I have the scar. I have it yet. You can still see it quite clearly in the sunlight. A silver line. You wanted my favourite doll. And of course, you got it. For though I was scarred, you cried. And your nurse swooped down and took the moppet from me. Gave my doll to you. Her dearest baby. Later, you took my best friend. Wooed her with whisper, told her gossip secrets, gave her trinkets, sweetmeats. Later still, you took my love and didn't know you'd done it. Then having taken him, you let him die!